Hi, my name's Tucker Bunch. We're in my kitchen and we're cooking lamb today with Superior Farms. So we're doing a whole roasted rack of lamb with a beautiful crust on the outside with a mint pesto, toasted Marcana almonds, a little bit of applesauce. Whole roasted rack has this sort of elegance. You know, you cut into that thing and it's ooh-ah time. People sort of light up. It's really exciting. You know, mint pesto and lamb are fantastic together. Applesauce is the great sort of sweet sour foil for the sweetness of lamb. Lamb's an occasion. That's the thing. People don't eat it enough. Therefore, it's really special when you pull it out.